All right, oftentimes too much thought is put into how that goes in there. I've heard theories about clicks and fill this up as much as you can, etc. Not needed. What you can do is you can, if it's gonna sit a while, you can put like a half quart in there, but all putting fluid in there is good for is making a huge mess when you try to install it. So here's how you do it. You just grab this, you pull that off, make sure there's a little grease right there. You take it, shove it on there, wiggle it. Wiggle it a little bit. Now it's gonna fight me because so many people are watching. There's one, but don't count them. Not needed. Just twist it, hit it with, there it is. Then, put that on there. Pads need to be 1 inch from the bell housing. You can see that? If it's 1 inch, it means it's back all the way. You don't gotta feel behind it and feel how close it is or any of that thing. Only thing that matters is that the pad is, technically I think it's like 1/070. If it's just over 1 inch, it means it's back all the way. That's all you gotta do. That's it.